ascension, and the galactic meeting. I was lying down when it began. A gentle pull, almost imperceptible at first, lifted me from my physical body. My astral form floated upward, light as a feather, leaving the earth behind. The planet shrank beneath me, oceans glinting, continents turning into patterns of blue and green. Stars stretched into lines of light as I ascended. Suddenly, I was aboard a ship. To my left, a humanoid figure radiated pure white light, calm and steady, as if time itself bowed to its presence. To my right, another version of myself, familiar yet distant, a reflection from a parallel reality. The floor beneath us was black, absorbing and reflecting the stars streaming through the vessel's walls. A door opened silently. Ahead stood a towering humanoid, a form embedded with countless luminous points, like living constellations. To its right, a panel displayed gray fragments, scattered like cosmic dust. The being picked up a golden shard, holding it up for me to see, then seamlessly fitted it into the panel. Energy pulsed through the room as the piece clicked into place. Then I transformed. My body became a sphere of pure white light. Thoughts surged through me. No words, only understanding, and I communicated with my galactic self. Our consciousnesses intertwined, recognizing each other across space and time, learning, remembering. Moments later, I stood again, in the same ship. A figure appeared, crowned, majestic yet serene. Before us stretched a colossal window. Earth rotated silently below, fragile and beautiful. The crown being extended a hand, placing a ring into mine. It was a symbol, a promise, a key. And then I awoke, but the visions continued. The Greys surrounded me, silent, attentive, their large black eyes reflecting constellations. Thoughts moved between us effortlessly, like currents of light. I saw myself seated in a cabin aboard a ship, looking through a massive transparent panel into space. The Greys mirrored my gaze, nodding, acknowledging the shared understanding between us. I was transported again, this time to a vast hangar. A taller version of myself, uniformed in deep blue, stood to my left. Elmoria, clothed in warm brown, stood beside me. The floor was silver, polished like liquid metal, reflecting the ships suspended above. To my right, a vessel gleamed under the lights. Inside it floated a golden sphere, radiating warmth, calm, and pure love. I sat near it, feeling its energy permeate every part of me. My robe was blue, my eyes black and deep, absorbing the cosmos itself. I met my galactic self once more. We moved closer to manifestations of the same soul, exploring, recognizing, merging understanding across forms. The hangar stretched infinitely, filled with countless ships, each a vessel of knowledge and love. Some hummed, others pulsed with light. I realized that every ship, every being, every golden sphere was a guide, a reminder that the universe exists not as something out there, but as a reflection of our inner essence. The Greys stood near, silent yet present, nodding in recognition as if to say, "Your journey is not alone. Your consciousness is not limited. The cosmos flows through you, as you flow through the cosmos." And then I understood. The universe is not distant. It is not unreachable. It is a mirror of ourselves. Every star, every vessel, every form of life, a teacher, a reflection, a key. The ships, the spheres, the light, the Greys, my galactic self, all were part of the same message. Love, understanding, unity. I rose from the hangar floor, floating alongside my galactic self. We explored the ships, touched the golden spheres, and felt their energy harmonize with our own. Time lost meaning. Space became a tapestry of luminous threads, weaving us into the fabric of all that ever was and all that ever would be. And I finally understood the truth of the ancient energy. Eternity is not somewhere to reach, it is a gesture. It is now. It is the seed blooming inside the awakened heart, across all forms, across all galaxies, across all dimensions.